Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, depressed, fed up with life, angry, lonely, or perhaps even joyful, know that you're not alone. We're going to take some deep breaths together. See if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position where you can be upright, extending the spine, dropping the shoulders away from the ears, aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Aware of your surroundings, witnessing your space, noticing colors, textures. If you can see out the window, notice what the sky is doing. Every day is different, every day is nuanced. Closing the eyes now, becoming aware of your own inner nuance, the inner climate, the atmosphere inside. Are you tired, relaxed, anxious, restless? Noticing where in the body there is tension and consciously relaxing that area. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing the jaw, the lips and the forehead, relaxing your eyes, relaxing your hands and feet. Taking a deep breath in. Exhaling, releasing stress. Breathing in. Exhale. Taking a deep breath. And exhale, release. letting go of any anger. Taking a deep breath, feeling your belly, chest rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Relaxing the belly, opening your chest, feeling your heart opening. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale. Dropping the shoulders away from the ears. Relaxing the belly. Opening your chest. Feeling your mind open. In fact, if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. And letting go of thoughts. Closing the eyes and looking inside. Witnessing and welcoming yourself. Natural for the mind to drift. Simply coming back into your body, into your posture, into this present moment. Feeling this moment unlike any other moment thus far. A gift. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive, that you live to see another day, and that it won't always be that way. Bringing a smile, not only to your face, but to your belly, to your chest, to your mind. Feeling that your mind is smiling, that your heart is smiling. Taking a deep breath. And exhale. Inhaling. Exhale. Deep breath in. hold. And exhale. The color for today is yellow, a bright yellow. The number is 250. And the animal is a jaguar. Coming into your posture, aware of your space, aware of your surroundings, aware of how you feel after taking some deep breaths. Taking one deep breath for now. Holding at the top. And very under control, very softly exhale. Thank you for joining me across time and space. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love, of healing, of prosperity, of resources, of laughter. Remembering that laughter is the best medicine. To not take this crazy life too serious. To enjoy the play, the cosmic play that's going on. All the characters, the drama, the antagonist, the protagonist, the conflicts. To see how masterful it really is, and to play it well, to enjoy. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.